Episode 15, Cooking with Smooth. Tap in with me. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for tuning in with me and tapping in with your boy. Yeah guys, Vlogmas, episode 15, Smooth Cook. We cooking El Pastor for the win. Let me get my tools together and everything I need, and we're gonna get this cracking for y'all. Okay. Last time I was cooking, everybody said I didn't show y'all the food. I told y'all this ain't no cooking channel. This is just Smooth, me and Smooth. Okay, what do I need exactly? I need something to cook this with. Got my El Pastor. I got my El Pastor ready to go, get cooked. Got my salsa, that can wait, and I got me a lime, that also can wait. For the side, I got me some cucumber. I'll cut that up and get that prepped and prepared. We also got one onion. That's a yellow onion. I'm gonna grab my tortillas. Got my sour cream as well, and my cheese. So let me go ahead and get that. I don't know. Got two types of tortillas. I got corn and flour. Get those ready, prepared to go. Let me also grab my sour cream. Yeah. Got my sour cream. Oh no, somebody got the light stuff. And I got my cheese. All right, before we get started, make sure you wash your hands. Cleanliness is what you got in this. Get a nice scrub going on, get all the bacteria and all the dirt. Now that we all squeaky clean, let's cook. El Pastor ready, letting the pan heat up. Once that heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and put the El Pastor in there. This one. Alright y'all, so my El Pastor is pretty much almost done. Threw a little jalapeno in there to give it a little flavor, as well as the cook to go on the side of my meal. I like mine a little crispy, a little char on there, so I'm gonna let that cook down a little more while we wait. Other than that, if you come this way, I do got everything diced up as y'all seen. Got my tortillas, got my sour cream, got my cheese, cilantro, onion, got some cucumbers going on the side, as well as my limes and my green salsa. Alright. Other than that, your boy's out here going crazy in the kitchen. Last time y'all was talking about I didn't show enough food when I was cooking, but I'm in here going crazy right now. As I can see, I'm trying to cook that down, get some of that grease up out of there. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna drain that before we get to serving it up. And other than that, we're getting ready to eat. Oh, yep. Leave it to me to make a mess. Leave it to me to make a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking that down, getting that packed up, and I'm gonna get ready to place this, and then we're gonna get ready to serve. So stay tuned with your boy. I'm gonna go ahead and just dip that on in there with that El Pastor. Then I'm gonna toss it on in the skillet. Yeah, put those down. Those are corn tortillas. Also have flours right there as well. I'm gonna do a little bit of both, but right now I'm just letting that finish cooking down, and then I'm gonna dabble my tortillas, and we're gonna get this plated.
And then it'll go out next.
Throw some of that salsa on there. Final product, I got the corn tortillas right here going crazy. Then I got the flour tortillas on this plate going crazy. I'm gonna devour this. I'm gonna tap in with y'all tomorrow, man. I couldn't even wait, gang. I'm gonna tap in with y'all tomorrow, man. Don't forget to read, pray, stay out the way, and stay tuned for Vlogmas. Episode 16 coming tomorrow, man. It's your boy Smooth, and I'm out. When I say devoured,